guys, Christy.
Yeah. Here I
am. So on today's video, we're gonna be doing a dorm tour. I know it's pretty late. Our semester is literally almost over, but better late than never, right? So we'll let her start off her side.
Okay, so first I have these little lights over this alcove. Only these ones work because those batteries are dead. I have my little cacti theme going on over here, so I have all of my wall things. I have all of my makeup, which is a mess. Don't zoom on that. My salt lamp, emitting some positive ions into my workspace. Got all of that. Basically everything you could ever possibly need in here. All of my books over here. This is my bed. I never actually do my work at my desk.
Look at the books.
It all happens over here. Where
it all happens over here.
All the action right here.
We barely sleep.
We literally never sleep. It's literally like 9 p.m. We're like, oh, it's the middle of the afternoon. What are you doing? Yeah, I have all my cacti here. So I have my dead cacti over here.
Zoom in the dead cacti.
No. Yeah, all my other ones. Okay, they're actually real. They're actually alive and they're living because I'm a good plant mom. I swear, I really am. This one isn't real. That's why it's the best looking. But yeah, got my whole blue aesthetic. Even Hawaii, they're authentic. Love them. This is the futon. Its name is the crouton.
Crouton. Here we go. Coming to my side. These are our wardrobes, by the way. So right here we have our little shared coffee station. You know, people come and get their coffee at 502 North South. Wait, where are we? A lovely wardrobe. Shoes down here. Could barely open it.
Oh yeah.
Pick it.
I cannot open mine at all.
Literally.
Oh
And we live down the street. How embarrassing. Then our beautiful mirror. You want to see ourselves in the morning, you know. Shout out to Norma who got me this little sign. My friend Steven's mom. I'm a very good plant mom, as you could tell. My little overflowing plant. You come right here. This is my lovely desk where I kind of do my homework.
Okay.
I kind of do a majority of my homework on my desk. Even though there's no school supplies here. My little pencil pouch thing has my lipstick and my makeup. This is my lovely collage of pictures, my laptop, my beautiful backpack, $30 at Target. And if you come over here, these are my little drawers. Love how organized they are. My hair stuff. Oh, a little midnight snack. We got my M&M's, lint roller, face mask, you know, just throw all that in there. Cleaning supplies. Oh, these are for you, Raven. I saved my water bottles for you. So that's that. And then if we come to my lovely bed where all the beauty sleep happens. This I got online. This is from Marshall's, but yeah. My little lovely, what would you call that? Like, I don't know. My wall. My decorated wall. Everything is pretty much from Home Goods or Marshall's.
It looks like a Pottery Barn catalog.
Yes. Too blessed to be stressed. Follow me on Instagram at Alyssa Waltz, shameless plug. Those two wooden signs, so the through him, by him, for him, and the A more to your right, my mom made. And then the clock, you know, it's a little late, had that daylight savings. Oh, that's wrong then.
I know.
And then all my pillows, oh so sorry, Sable. My pillows are from Home Goods. This one my mom made. Love it, dorm sweet dorm. Then if you come under here, we have more drawers, my fridge, has all my food, you know. Love that. And that's basically it. I forgot to have our little mailbox, which we never get mail, but we hang our little keys. Well, I do. She doesn't. All right, well, thanks for watching, guys. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed yet, hit that red subscribe button. Oh, we'll we got stuff to do tonight, so bye.
Bye.
I didn't end it.
Oh, you didn't?
I think I ended it.
Oh, okay. Well, she recorded. Thanks, Gabby. All right, bye, guys. Walk out with it.
Oh, okay.
See you later.